Hello beautiful people, in this tutorial I will show you how to enable custom event on Google Tag Manager, and I will enable data layer on our e-commerce store. Then we can easily track everything like which product I view, which product our user viewing, which product our user add to cart, which product is the best selling product, and we will track everything. So when I enable data layer on our website, then data layer is our website to Google Tag Manager between data layer. Data layer is right now middleman like Google Tag Manager. When I enable Google Tag Manager, when I want to connect Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager, then Google Tag Manager is middleman. So right now data layer is middleman between our website and Google Tag Manager. So we can see when our website and when we want to connect Google Analytics, Google Ads or other Facebook and Optimizely, and these are Google Tag Manager is middleman. Right now here is data layer is on here, and data layer is like this. Data layer is like this, our website and Google Tag Manager between data layer. And when anyone visit any web page, when anyone visit any product page, and which type of product, name, revenue, and everything actually like this: product price, product ID, purchase quantity, purchase product, transaction ID, transaction revenue. These are actually data layer, and every product, these are changeable variable, and here is like this. These are actually custom JavaScript code, and these are using JavaScript push method. So when we enable, you will understand this, what is actually data layer. So when we enable data layer, we want to log in our website backend. I'm logging our website backend. I log in, and I use a plugin like this Google Tag Manager. I'm going to the Google Tag Manager, and here is basic data. We enable like this because of we need to enable data layer from this plugin. I'm going to the integration, going to the Ecommerce, then enable enhance e-commerce. These are actually Google Analytics 4 setup, enhance e-commerce, save changes. Now I'm going to the website and preview, connect. So you can see our website. Here is the data layer tab, and you can see all the product data layer on here, on the product information on here. Now I'm going to the shop page, and you can see these are actually shop page, and this product, how many product on there, and every product we will track, every product, image, title, price, and you can see product name, ID, price, category, position, list, stock level, brand, and we can track like this. Now I'm going to a single product page. Now I'm going to this accessory belt, and here is title accessory belt, and here is our price, and here is some impression of product, and there have 5 product actually. Now I'm going to the Tag Manager, and here is where we work right now, and build new, and you can see our website URL build new, and you can see the data layer. These are actually event, scroll event we enable. These are actually enhanced measurement event, GTM. These are page, and here is you can see our product ID, and these are actually our product name. These are actually our product name. I'm going to the product accessory for belt, and our product price is $4.94. Now I'm going to here is you can see product price is $4.94, and here is the impression. So what is actually impression on the bottom? They have 5 product, and first product is Hawaii P30 Pro. I'm going to the impression. You can see P30 Pro, and which price 619, and you can see 619. Which one the last one? Compare price by SKU. I'm going to the last one. You can see compare price by SKU. So these are actually working like this, and this structure actually Universal Analytics and Google Analytics have another structure like this item. This one actually Google Analytics 4 data layer structure or data layer sigma. So you can see recommended event. So when I go to the e-commerce. These are our e-commerce. They are retailer e-commerce, and you can see add impression, refund, search, add payment, event. So right now I'm going to GA4 Sigma. So major e-commerce, these are actually like this. You can see Google have this type of structure, and we already enable like this: product ID, product name, affiliation, coupon, currency, discount. You can see all selected product like this. These are automatically work from our Google Tag Manager plugin. This one automatically work like this type of enable data layer. So how we can enable data layer, and we are using a plugin for this data layer enable. We can see for view cart, these are working like this type of structure. For add or remove shopping cart, they are working this type of structure. These are actually custom data layer. For begin checkout, we can use this type of data layer. So I close this. Right now we are tracking everything our website user scroll, how many percentage scroll like this, and we can see here is our website, and where is the variable window loaded variable scroll, where is the scroll event, and we can find. So you can see our scroll depth image is undefined right now. We will enable this. So we can track also video duration, video title, there is video all. So now I'm going to the single product page. This one, accessory for belt. So add to cart button. I click add to cart button. Right now I click add to cart button. I go to the add to cart, and you can see these are actually tracked. My add to cart, these are custom event. These are actually custom event and add to cart. You can see when I go to the variable event, custom event, string add to cart. So when I go to the data layer, and when I make add to cart, when I click add to cart, and there have this information. Now I'm going to the view cart, and here is the view item. They are automatically going the view item. Now I'm clicking the view cart. They're on the view cart, and here is the view cart. And view cart list is like this: accessory belt and basic product layout icon area. This one, basic product layout icon area. So we are successfully tracked our website user behavior for our e-commerce, and we are successfully tracked on our Google Tag Manager. Right now we will push this type of information on our Google Analytics 4. So hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to like and subscribe this channel, and I promise you will never be disappointed. Bye bye.